is Alex Benavides, the painter here at Hacienda Collision Center in McAllen, Texas. Today we're gonna color match and tint our charcoal gray color from F-250 Ford pickup, and I'm gonna show you the process of how to do it. As you can see, I got the spray out cards here of the variants of the colors that are go for this special vehicle. You would think that they're all the same by seeing it, but every color is different. So now I just gotta see what's closest to what I have there, spray it, and if it doesn't match, I gotta tweak it. What I just put was sealer. It goes all over new part and it helps cover scratches and it helps the color cover quicker. Sprayed it now to my variant card, comparing it to the vehicle. So I'm gonna try to adjust it just by lowering the air pressure down first to see if it changes it, and if it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to start putting some color in it. Just by lowering the air pressure, I was able to get it darker without adding anything to it. It has a metallic, it has a violet. I think we're ready to go, finish the truck. Just finished shooting clear and we're gonna go and inspect it to see how the color looks, how it laid out.